Welcome to Earthly Organic Naturals, where nature's remedies are at your fingertips. Let's look at gout. What do we need? Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of ginger root, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 5 drops of lavender oil, 5 drops of peppermint oil, and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Instructions: in a bowl, grate the fresh ginger and measure out the cayenne pepper and turmeric. In a saucepan, add the coconut oil and gently melt it over low heat. Add the ginger, cayenne, and turmeric to the oil. Stir it well and let it simmer on low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes to infuse the oil with the active compounds. Strain the oil through a cheesecloth into a clean jar to remove any solid herb particles. Once it's strained, add the lavender and peppermint and mix well. Let the mixture cool to room temperature before sealing the jar. You can store the rub in a cool, dry place. How to use: use a small amount of the herbal rub and gently massage it into the affected joint. Cover with a soft cloth or a bandage to prevent staining of your clothes. You can apply this 2 to 3 times a day or as needed for pain relief. Note: it is important to perform a patch test to ensure there are no allergic reactions. Ensure you wash your hands thoroughly and avoid contact with the eyes, as peppermint and cayenne pepper both sting like the dickens. People with sensitive skin should consult a healthcare provider. Oh, my favorite part: how it all works. Though linalool and linaloyl acetate in lavender oil are anti-inflammatory, as well as analgesic, which can help to relieve joint pain and reduce swelling. Peppermint contains menthol, which has a cooling effect that can soothe pain and reduce inflammation, while coconut oil has lauric acid, which is also an anti-inflammatory and helps to prevent swelling, as well as provides a soft, soothing moisturizer. Turmeric has curcumin, which is a powerful anti-inflammatory that blocks cytokines and enzymes that can cause inflammation. And ginger contains gingerols and sugarols that inhibit the production of inflammatory compounds, therefore aiding in the reducing of swelling and pain. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, which is known to deplete the neurotransmitter substance P, which transmits pain signals to the brain, thus reducing pain. All of these combined are a powerful aid for gout. Join us. Like, share, follow, and subscribe. New content added often.